Whoa. Whoa, that was crazy. Okay, cousin. TikTok has some money on the table.
What?
You got bills. You need to pay your bills. You like making content. You're an entrepreneur. Maybe you'll plant TikTok. Or maybe you are for the prize. Like that. Maybe you are teachers of TikTok. Or maybe you're entrepreneurs. But whatever you are, this is how you're going to be able to enter into that contest. Okay, focus on going outside. Oh, I meant to say upstairs. This time traveling thing I do not have down. Anyway, you want to enter into either one of these categories and make sure you use the hashtag so you can get in the run to actually win the $5,000. All right, let me try to get myself back up to the bathroom. To the bathroom. What the? I'm still perfecting time traveling. Okay? But go to TikTok Studio. So this is how you're going to do it. Let me just show you. All right. So you're going to go to TikTok first thing. Yep. And you want to make sure that you're in your profile. Your profile is going to be right down here. Click on that profile. It should look just like this. Then you want to click on the three lines at the top, right hand corner, right up there. Once you click there, a sub menu will open and you can click on TikTok Studio. This is going to be essential if you are monetizing your content too. Just make sure you always check this tab. Activities is what you want to click on. Once you click on activities, if you have the capability to join these campaigns, they will all be listed here. See, hashtag teachers of TikTok or hashtag entrepreneur. They have one for car posts, one for car detailing, one for car restoration. Oh my God, the possibilities are unlimited. You can earn as much money as you need to continue your journey in content creation. Now make sure that you are following for more tips. Make sure you save it. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and make sure that you comment, I'm ready.